Medium School for Science Exhibition. And this is our project, blood circulation of heart in human body. Heart beat about 60 to 100 times per day. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. It has four chambers, two at the top and two at the bottom. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood, while the left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood. Blood flows through the heart in a cycle, picking up oxygen in the lungs and delivering into the body's tissues. Blood circulation is the most important function in our body.
Be blessed to plant more trees.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our project on rainwater harvesting. Today we will show you how we can save water using this method. Rainwater harvesting is a way to collect or store rainwater for future use. Here is how it works. Rainwater falls on rooftops and flows into pipes. It is filtered to remove dirt. The clean water stored in tanks or sent to rechange the groundwater. This helps save water, reduce flooding and protect the environment. It's an easy and smart way to conserve water. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We study in class 12. I am Zainab. Today I am going to explain about water cycle. Our model is water cycle. Water is very precious gift of God. Water is evaporated sun then become cloud. When the clouds full of water, this is condensation. After become drop by drop of water, this is our sources. This is our water cycle. Thank you.
Our model is water cycle. Water cycle यानी पानी का चक्र. पानी के जरिए सूरज में गर्मी की वजह से भाप बनकर आसमान में जाते हैं. आसमान में ठंडी हवा के जरिए भाप ठंडा होकर बादल बनता है. वही बादल पानी से होकर जमीन पर कतरा बारिश की सूरत में जमीन पर वापस आते हैं. उसको हम वाटर साइकिल कहते हैं. यही अमल पानी का चक्र कहलाता है. जैसा
This is our project. This is a dam. A dam is a massive wall built across the river. It is constructed to manage the flow of the water. Irrigation and hydroelectric system, power generation are the two main reasons due to which can be converted a dam. Some largest dam in India are Tahri Dam in Uttarakhand and Bhakra Nangal Dam in Punjab. Thank you.
So this is our project, the Great Solar System. सोलर सिस्टम में टोटल 8 प्लैनेट है जो सन के तरफ गर्दिश करते हैं, जिनके नाम मर्क्यूरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस और नेपच्यून है. अर्थ वो प्लैनेट है जिसमें हम रहते हैं. मर्क्यूरी सबसे छोटा प्लैनेट है. जुपिटर सबसे बड़ा प्लैनेट है. हमारा सोलर सिस्टम मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी में है.
I am Yusuf Khan Kiturkar. Today we are introduce our project Save Earth. Earth is our home planet. It is very important to save Earth.
We know that Earth is in danger due to the human activities such as deforestation, cutting plants, water pollution, air pollution, vehicle pollution, etc. Factory chemicals are causing water pollution and air pollution. Now we will explain how to save Earth and the steps to save Earth. Recycle more, plant more trees, solar energy, wind energy, use public transport, etc.
The windmill is used to generate electricity. It converts the kinetic energy of the wind into mechanical energy. The first windmill designed in the year 1854 by Daniel Holiday.
The energy in the wind turns blades around a rotator. The rotor is combined the main shaft. The shaft spins and generates electricity. Anemometer is also used in a windmill. It measures wind speed. Thank you.
Today we are introduce our project is global warming. Now I am introduce the causes of global warming. Avoid cars, don't make hard leaks, not using proper dustbin, don't cut trees, deforestation. Now I will explain how to control global warming. Use bicycle or public transport, use proper dustbin, plant more. And the topic is agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of many economies worldwide. It involves growing crops and raising livestock for food and other products. Here you can see this is the one well. In this well we put the motor inside it. With the help of this pipe, all the water irrigate in this farm. And this is a water tank for domestic animal. This is domestic animal shed. This is a greenhouse. Greenhouse is made to protect tender crops or cider crops from harsh climate. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be presenting about the Chandrayaan-3 model. This rocket named Chandrayaan-3, which is launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization.
Chandrayaan-3 launched on 14 July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Chandrayaan landed on Moon 23 August 2023 in South Pole to know the information about water, atmosphere on the Moon in the space.
मॉडल देख रहे हैं, इसका नाम चंद्रयान-3 जिसे इसरो भारतीय खलाई तहकीकाती तंजीम ने लॉन्च किया.
ये एक रॉकेट है जिसके दोनों तरफ जो पिस्टल्स लगे हुए हैं जिसके अंदर ईंधन भरा हुआ होता है. ईंधन जब जलता है तब आग चलती है जिससे धुआं निकलता है और दोनों पिस्टल्स रॉकेट को आसमान की तरफ परवास करने में मदद देते हैं। जब रॉकेट खला की तरफ पहुंचता है तब ये दोनों बूस्टर रॉकेट से अलग हो जाते हैं और वो ज़मीन की तरफ गिरते हैं। जब रॉकेट खला में पहुंचता है तब रॉकेट खुल जाता है, फिर इसमें से सैटेलाइट निकलती है और वो रॉकेट सैटेलाइट से अलग हो जाता है। ये सैटेलाइट चांद पर लैंड करता है क्योंकि चांद से मुतल्लिक तमाम मालूमात फराहम कर सके। चंद्रयान 3 जो एक कामयाबी के साथ चांद पर लैंड हुआ, इसे 14 जुलाई 14:35 पर श्री हरिकोटा आंध्र प्रदेश में लॉन्च किया गया।
My project is expiratory system. Human expiratory system include organs that facilitate the removal of nitrogen waste from the body. The main expiratory system: kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra. Kidneys filter the blood, and urine is filtered often. Thank you.